I'm going to show you exactly how to create one of Canva's coolest animation tricks using a glow element to reveal your text in a smooth, cinematic way. This is perfect if you want your presentations to look dramatic, eye-catching, and professional instead of just plain static slides, and you can do this even if you are a complete beginner. No advanced animation skills are needed at all. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Let's start by setting up your design. Head over to your Canva account and on the left-hand panel, click on Create. Then open a presentation canvas. If it is not visible in the suggested template sizes, type presentation in the search bar and click on the first result that appears. Now that you have your blank canvas, the first thing you want to do is add the elements you will need, such as the text and the glow effect that we will animate later. Go to text on the left-hand panel and click Add a heading. Double-click on the text box to type your phrase. While it is selected, change the font style into a bold font like Anton or League Spartan so the reveal effect looks stronger and more dramatic. Now that you have your text, head over to Elements on the left-hand panel and type Glow in the search bar. Choose a glow element that allows you to change its color. Click on it, adjust the color using the color picker, and resize it so it is almost the same height as each line of your text. Before we animate, make sure the glow element is positioned behind your text. You can right-click and select Send Backward if needed. Once the layering is correct, it is time to hide everything. Change the text color to black, and also change your background to black. The glow should remain bright. This setup allows the glow to act as the only visible light source that will reveal the letters as it moves across them. Now it is finally time to animate. Click on the glow element and select Animate. Then choose Create an Animation. What you want to do is drag the glow element across the text from one side to the other, making sure it passes through every letter. This movement will create the illusion that the text is being revealed by light. Once you're done, click Present to preview your animation and watch the smooth, glowing reveal effect in action. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it! You have just created a dramatic glow text reveal animation inside Canva using a simple animation trick. If you want to learn the next Canva animation hack that can instantly level up your presentations even more, click on the next video and I will show you hack number 3. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.